Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to our June product update video. This month, most of our updates have focused on managing broken links so that they don't impact your SEO or conversion. We've also been hard at work behind the scenes improving the bulk product editor, adding support for up to 2,000 variants per product, and working to embed the app within the Shopify admin. Let's get started. The bulk product editor can now create redirects for you when you bulk edit product handles. This makes it really easy to fix product handles if they're not matching the product titles while still maintaining the SEO from those old URLs. As an example, here we have a product with a handle of product 24, and all we have to do in the app is go to edit products, choose the handle. We can set the value to the title of the product and add that field, and we'll make sure we want to create web redirects to the new handles. Clicking that, running the edit, just takes a few seconds to run, and now all the products will have their new handles. And as a bonus, if you go back to the old URLs and reload it, you'll see that you're automatically redirected to the new URLs. We've also made some improvements to the link manager and how it handles wildcard redirects. Wildcard redirects allow you to redirect a whole series of URLs to a new location, but now we've added placeholders to these. So in this example, you can redirect any URL that goes to store/something that will send you to product/ that same value. So we can see kind of what that looks like on our example store. If we go over here and we go to a URL like /store/Pennsylvania notebooks, that will instantly redirect us to product/Pennsylvania notebooks. And this can be especially useful for stores that are in the process of migrating if your old product URLs were in a different scheme than they are on Shopify. We've also improved reporting for the wildcard redirects. On the dashboard, you can see the number of visits to your website that would have resulted in a 404 page, except that they were handled with wildcard redirects. Also, if you go over to broken link visits and click on the redirected tab, you'll see the detail of what those URLs were. If you need to, you can export this to a CSV file, which will give you a file that appears like this, where you can see the specific URLs that were targeted. This again is especially useful if you're moving to Shopify, because you can see which URLs people are going to and make sure that you've had the correct redirects created for the most popular ones. We've also been making a lot of updates to the bulk product editor. Two ones that I wanted to call out, which both relate to spreadsheets, are first of all, you can now export and import image alt text as separate columns within the bulk product editor. The other one is if you have meta fields that are references to product, by now the app will default to referencing those by handle instead of the numeric ID. By default, Shopify stores this data as a numeric ID, but that makes it very difficult if you're trying to move data between stores where maybe the handles of the products are the same, but the IDs are different. And as I mentioned at the start of this video, we've been hard at work embedding the bulk product editor in the Shopify admin so it works seamlessly with all the other pages of the admin that you're used to. We don't have anything to show quite yet, but we're hoping that soon we will. That's all we have time for this month, but thanks for watching, and of course if you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. Have a great day.